Is your dishwasher not draining? Let me tell you all the possibilities of what it could be. The first thing you should check when your dishwasher is not draining is the dishwasher's filter. Over time, food particles and debris can clog the filter, preventing water from flowing through. To access the dishwasher filter, all you have to do is remove the lower rack and then check the bottom of the dishwasher for food particles or debris. If you see any, go ahead and clean those up, and then you can go ahead and actually clean the filter with just warm water. Another common cause of a dishwasher not draining is a clogged drain hose. So the drain hose is responsible for carrying water from the dishwasher to the garbage disposal or the drain. If the drain hose is clogged, water can't flow through it, causing the dishwasher to not drain. To check the drain hose, you'll have to remove it from the dishwasher and rinse it thoroughly. If your dishwasher is connected to a garbage disposal, one of the most common problems I see is that the plug in the garbage disposal wasn't removed. Check to see if the knockout plug has been removed. The knockout plug is a small piece of plastic that covers the garbage disposal's drain opening, and if that's not removed, it'll prevent the dishwasher from draining. To remove the knockout plug, you're going to want to reference your garbage disposal's owner's manual because they actually vary from one disposal to another. So if you've checked the filter, the drain hose, and the knockout plug, and your dishwasher still isn't draining, then the problem could be from your drain pump. The drain pump is responsible for pumping water out of the dishwasher and into the drain. If this is not working correctly, then it'll prevent the dishwasher from draining. To check the drain pump, you'll need to remove the bottom panel or kick plate and locate the drain pump. You're going to want to look for either any damage or clogs and replace the pump if necessary. And that's it. These are the most common reasons why your dishwasher may not be draining and what you can do to fix it. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.